a really cool plant. We're going to find out what it is. I'm sure there's a lot of you who know what this is, but we don't. But it's really cool. And just for the record, I'm not touching it. We haven't touched it. So this is such a cool place. Behind us, there's all kinds of cactus. I mean, it's like the ranger told us that the plants in the Southwest comprise only about 6% of the plants in the world, and there's nowhere else that they thrive like this, which is really amazing. And lots, of course, of prickly pear. There's tons of that. And the swirl. Tons and tons of it. All up the side. We've seen a lot of those teddy bear chollas here too. Remember we talked about those. This cactus is hazardous. Do not touch it. Okay? And if you do, you're gonna use pliers to take it out of you. Okay? Just don't. Don't. But there's no pliers out here. So don't touch them.
Supply your own pliers.
Yeah, you gotta supply your own pliers if you're gonna touch anything out here.